What's going on, guys? Authentic J's back again with another video, and this time I'm doing something a little different. So I'm doing a quick and simple tutorial on how I made these color changing Vegeta shoes. As you can see, we're gonna start by cutting off the swoosh. I highly recommend that you guys get a super sharp knife. It's gonna save you guys a lot of time. The next thing I recommend is that you guys get a pair of tweezers, man. I got mine at Target for $1. It's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of trouble, so I highly recommend it for the next step. And y'all already know what's coming up. We're gonna hit this shoe with some acetone. We gotta remove that finish off that shoe so the paint adheres better. Next step, completely optional, but I highly recommend it again. But you're gonna hit the shoe with some flat white. I mean, I used flat white, but use whatever color that you want. But the reason I did this is because it covers up the hole and it makes it easier to tape off to prevent bleeding when I paint. But I'll touch up on that a little more later. Don't mind this part. This is me just retouching up my drawing, just making the lines a lot darker, especially for the next step. As you can see, I covered the drawing with tape, then cut out just a hair because I'm about to spray this shoe with the secret ingredient, and that's going to be the solar color dust that changes from black to blue with heat at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. I mixed this with Angelus neutral paint, and you apply this to a white or light background for best results. And as you can see, there's minimal bleeding because I applied that thin layer of paint. If you guys like these quick tips and learn something new, make sure to smash that like button. And if you guys like these videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. And now comes my favorite part of doing customs, coloring the picture and just giving life to the drawing. And I feel like this is the part where people can be the most creative. You want to make his skin purple, make it purple. If you want to add a different color changing element to his hair, go ahead and do that. He goes Super Saiyan yellow. Now they got the Super Saiyan Kaioken, the Super Saiyan blue. Be creative, do whatever you want. This is your custom, this is your shoe, and more power to you guys. And finally, I end it by outlining the drawing. This really makes it look complete. Optional to use a pen like I did, but you could always use one of those paint markers, or if you prefer, just use black paint and a very thin brush. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all the people who go like, oh, that's a Gohan song on a Vegeta shoe, I know, but I couldn't pass up on the beat. It was too nice. But again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.